Hey, what's up? In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to view your 1099s inside QuickBooks Online. It's super simple once you know where everything lives. So yeah, let's jump in. All right, first thing, from your main dashboard, head over to the left menu and click on Expenses. This is where all your vendor and contractor stuff sits. Next, tap on the Contractors tab at the top. QuickBooks keeps all contractor info grouped here, including 1099 forms, so yeah, that's where we're heading. Now look for the button that says Prepare 1099s. It's usually near the upper right. Go ahead and click that. This opens the 1099 dashboard for the current filing year. Once you're in, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose the tax year. Select the year you want, like 2025 or 2026. QuickBooks keeps previous years, so you can flip through whatever you need. After choosing the year, scroll down the list of contractors. For any contractor, you'll see an option to view or download the 1099 as a PDF. Just click the one you want. That's it. The form opens instantly. And if you filed through QuickBooks Online, you can also check the e-file status right there on the page. It'll show submitted, received, or accepted, depending on where things are in the process. And yeah, that's all you need to find and open your 1099s in QuickBooks Online. Super quick. If you're doing contractor payments all year, this page is one you'll visit a lot, so keep it bookmarked. Thanks for watching.